Hey Jeff, how's it going?
Any?
We might have a short meeting today. I'm kind of pulled in a lot of ways.
Sure.
I shot you a quick email because I'm like, I don't even know if we should meet or not, but I don't know if you had a busy week too. But
Yeah, and I've been I was trying to get this all updated, I think I've missed the to-do list, but
yeah, let me.
I was just about to. I'm just trying to get the some of the changes pushed in, and then I need to edit the
Okay,
changes up to the branch. I just got to regenerate the documentation.
okay, let me do that. And then I think I was gonna add in. I sent you those little scratch notes I had. Just I was out Friday too, so it's been like a super short turnaround. Let me see here. Man. Okay, so here's this. Here's this. All right, let me see. So I can share this list. Do you want to just go through the checklist or let me see here. Where's the sharing? Get back to sharing. So this is what I had. I think I shot you an email this morning on it. Oh, click one more time. So many clicks. All right. So is this the stuff you were talking about? Kind of the
Yeah.
some of these I can start working on. Oh gosh, I lost my other thing. Is it under here? Where's all my other stuff?
Yeah, that's the list I need. I've got most of that. I just gotta do some edits to the output now.
Okay. And if you want, I can add a little bit more to some of these fluffy parts too once you push that, like the whole like vision and scope and what we plan to do first versus next. And I definitely want to put that in because I know I've had to field a lot of questions anyway on that, so it's kind of nice to just put it in there. um, this PowerShell thing came up again too in some other meeting I was in. Do you know about all that? I guess there's even some other. This is sort of rack level stuff.
Uh, yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm aware of it. The but I think that we talked about putting a scope statement. I have that as a note in the poll about stating that that power distribution equipment was not included, is not included in this profile because because it's reporting in different areas and should be covered by their own profile.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Do you want to just do a push and then let me know so we can kind of divide and conquer?
Yeah.
You want to just do a push and then let me know and then I can go back. I'll double check against this. And then if some of the sort of the non-code areas, just the comments and the little vision statements and all that, I can certainly do those things.
Yep.
Sound good?
Yep. Sounds good.
Okay, cool.
Make it.
And then I don't know if there's anything else besides to discuss in general. I think the only thing is, well, there's going to be a submission deadline for the summit again next. I mean, what is it's way off in October, but the uh the dates come up pretty quick, right? Are you planning to go to that? Do we think we need to do we can try to get it in for an update as part of the sustainability track there?
I, I'm sorry. Say again.
This part of the OCP Global Summit next, I think October. That's basically the one we just had.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm hoping to be there. 'Cause
I know.
I have lots of other stuff that I have to do there as well. Uh,
Okay.
so yeah, that it's certainly my intention to be there.
Okay.
Hi folks, Shruti here. So I was just going to comment that yeah, I would certainly, encourage you folks to make an entry and present this at the summit. And if you think that, because essentially it is current work right now, it will not be current. It will be all known and hopefully known and accepted by next year's summit. So you'll not get another, spot. Like this year's
Yeah.
summit is probably appropriate.
Do you know when the submission deadline is, Shruti?
I don't know when, I don't remember actually when it closes, but it still has, I think, more than a month to close.
Okay.
Yeah, it's already open. They're already taking the submission in.
Yeah, I'm just pulling it up right now. Let me take a look. October 15 to 17, blah, 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 blah. By the numbers, is this the last one or no, 2024 registration call for proposals? Is that what it falls under? Breakout sessions. We didn't really have what did we have last time? Just a okay, here we go. Presentations. Too. So we're all looking at the same thing. I'm just jumping around a lot. So let's see here. OCP Future Technologies breakout session. I guess it's a breakout session.
Yeah, it is a breakout session. So they just have like keynotes and breakout sessions. So all of these are breakout sessions.
Week of July 15th, some notified. So wait.
No, this is
presentations closed.
Wait.
June. Is this from?
No, this is it 2023's page still?
What I'm wondering. Well, no, because this is October 2024.
Yeah, I'm trying to see where is their email. Because the email said that
OCP submit an abstract. I'm just gonna click here and see if this has a thing.
The email said it's open, so I'm assuming the email also must have said when it's closing. I just can't find the email.
2-page. I don't know, maybe they just have a typo under close, but it looks like it's June 21st. So we've got, like you said, about a month.
Yeah, and well, even if this is from last year, generally that's where their closing time is somewhere.
Same timeline, yeah. Okay.
Middle or end of June. Yeah.
So then we can do it as like a pass down
We'll
on
have till that much time.
Okay.
Yeah, and I would say like make the submission, of course, and then we can sort of work out who is able to be present, or because we at least want, like, if you need somebody to be nominated to present it under your name, maybe something can be worked out. But let's make a presentation. Let's make an entry at least.
And do you know if they're going to have another sustainability? Like, don't they do like a few main tracks every year or something like that?
Yes, and sustainability is a track, is a whole day track.
Okay, a whole day track. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And then looks like it's in San Jose again, all that. Okay. So likely, so late June. June for submission. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't know. We might have a short one if we want to let Jeff push those changes, and then I'll go through and compare to the other notes and gaps, and then I could put in some other statements. And then beyond that, I think we're okay to then put into the kind of like call for feedback, right?
Yeah, and on 11 June, you folks are still able to make the main meeting to talk about this profile there.
Sure, let me double check my calendar, make sure it's all there. You said June 11th, Tuesday, right?
Yeah. It's in the morning, 8 a.m. PST.
I can do it. I just don't have it on my calendar yet. Let me 8 a.m. PST.
Oh,
June.
I'll forward it.
Yeah,
I'll forward it to you. Yeah.
Okay, I'm putting it on my.
Yes. If you could forward that to me too, Shruti, because I don't see it on the calendar. I don't know why.
Sure. Yes. Actually, I generally do this like about a week before. I simply forward it to all the OCP sustainability registered members, irrespective of whether it was already on their calendar or not. So you will get it for sure that time. But yeah, I can forward it right now also.
Okay. And then probably what I'll do, Jeff, is maybe I'll put just a sync, like you and I can do a quick sync the day before or something, just to make sure we're all good on materials.
So I also want to know, do we want to uh, invite, co-leads of any other projects or work streams, like
Sammy for
somebody from server, or do you
Sammy?
particularly want?
Yeah,
Oh,
Sammy.
so our work streams will be there. Sorry, I meant work
Okay.
streams from other projects.
The um I think let me just take a quick look. There was something I was talking to Eric yesterday, and I think he said something about um what else? I'm trying to think if there's another like manageability or some, I mean, not the manageability one Jeff's involved in, because obviously he would know, but I think there was another one. I don't know if it was in sort of that PowerShelf type of stuff. Um, who else?
So one of the power profile stuff is in under DC facility project. So I
Is
intended
that like the
sort of,
Scott and from Google?
yes, Scott,
Okay,
yes, yes.
okay,
Yep.
good.
So I intended sending them a note with,
Then
what is going to be your time slot.
definitely, yeah. And I did talk to both
And
of them. Uh,
okay, okay, great.
and
And I was thinking that probably we should just reach out to hardware server, hardware management server group if they want to be present. Uh,
sure, yeah. Like you're saying, like the DCMCHS guys, or
yeah, does that? So I think I am looking at the steering committee rep name. So I don't know who exactly leads the DCMG, MHS work stream or work over there.
yeah, I'm not sure either. I know,
But I just know the steering committee rep name.
okay,
I can drop a note to them and say,
yeah,
hey, who in your project is relevant? Please forward them this invite.
for sure.
So yeah. So if you have any other names particularly in mind that it would be good to sort of get their feedback or show them an early version, because even if you're expecting them to sort of push back, it will be good to show them early.
The yeah, not that I expect pushback, but more of like a forward-looking one. Is there, this is my ignorance, is there like a OS type team for OCP? Like people who eventually, when we get to the API world, or like, people from Red Hat or Linux, or is there like a kind of like a software arm to OCP?
Is there a software project? I don't
No,
think
there's it's
so.
well, there's yeah, it doesn't go that high. There is open
Just the firmware, right?
firmware
Yeah.
group, but yeah, but in terms of like applications and stuff, yeah, that's all hand. I mean, there's no, it's not within the OCP realm.
Okay. Okay. That I thought so, but I wasn't sure. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't see one also. In the current ones, yeah, I just had the hardware management server,
Mm-hmm.
these two steering committee members in mind to send.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I will also send a note to them with you folks on CC. If they can join, it's good for us.
Cool. Okay. Trying to think what else. I think that's it. Okay. Um, is there anything else? Anything else? Yeah, those are the only ones I want a quick chat on. So I guess you want to just shoot me a email, Jeff, when you do the push, and then I'll go and do my second run, and then let you take a final look, and then we can do a like a push out for feedback kind of thing.
Yep.
Okay, let's do that then. Okay.
Yeah, and I'm literally just about done to ready to push it, but I'm gonna walk through your list and see if there's anything else in there that I can check off while I'm here.
Awesome. Okay, sounds great. Okay, I think we can just end early then.
Very good.
All right.
Thank
Take
you,
care, guys.
folks.
All right.
See you
Yeah.
later. Bye.
Bye.